Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter 9, Internet. So we know Internet is a global network. So we have made our life easier with Internet. It is very useful. We can search for any of the data and information from the Internet just in a few clicks. So let's begin with what is Internet? History of the Internet, basic terminology required to get connected to the internet, connecting to the internet, navigation buttons in web browser, using the internet for information, downloading and uploading data, email, creating an email account, netiquettes, internet abbreviations and emoticons. Let's just start the chapter.
Oh, I forgot to send an email to my cousin. What is Internet? Internet is a global network of computers. It connects computers around the world to interact with each other. Internet stands for International Network. The main aim of Internet is to facilitate sharing of information and fast communication. So, it can easily be said that Internet connects people. Some of the uses of Internet are: Internet helps us to share information from any place in the world. Internet is a source of lots of information for educational purposes. Internet enables fast transfer of news or incidents to the people. Internet can be used for communication from end of the world to the other. We can avail online services like ticket booking, paying bills, hotel bookings, online shopping, etc. Internet is used to download data. We can download movies, songs, videos, games, pictures and files from the internet. We can search for jobs on the internet. There are several chatting portals on the internet. We can do live chat virtually with our relatives, friends and family. History of the internet. The stepping stone in the history of the internet was the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. Later in 1969, Department of Defense of USA founded the internet. It set up a network of computers called ARPANET. The main purpose of creating this network was to ensure connectivity even during nuclear attack. Later, however, ARPANET was used in the field of education by scholars of different universities to share information on latest technology. Basic terminology. World Wide Web is a collection of related websites. These sites are connected in the manner of a web that has all the information accessible to anyone in the world. Web page. As a book has the information written on different pages, Internet also has different pages that store all the information. These pages are called web pages. Web browser. Web browser is a computer software that helps us to access the information on the internet. Commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. Website. It is a collection of related web pages. Each website has a unique website address. This unique address is called URL. Hyperlink. A hyperlink may be a text or a picture which connects the user to other parts of the same web page or related web pages. Hyperlink makes navigation easier. Internet service provider. Any company or organization that provides access to the internet is called internet service provider. Home page. The first page of any website that appears when we open that website is called its home page. It provides basic information about the website. It also contains links to other web pages of the site. Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator is the web address of the web page. Each web page has a unique URL. In other words, no two web pages share the same URL. Protocols. Set of rules that the computers need to follow while communicating with each other are called protocols. For example, Internet Protocol. Requirements to get connected to the Internet. A computer is required to access all the information on the internet. It should have browsing software like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Modem is required to connect the computer to the internet connection. It is a small box-shaped device that may or may not be connected to a telephone line. It is provided by the internet service providers. Internet connection is required to use the web. It is provided by ISPs such as Tata Communications, Reliance Communications, Airtel, BSNL, MTNL, etc. Connecting to the internet. We need to follow the steps given below to connect to the internet. The first step is to switch on the modem. A broadband connection directly connects us to the internet. But if we have a dial-up connection, we need to do the following. Double-click on the dial-up connection icon on the desktop or the network icon present on the notification area of the taskbar. A dial-up connection dialog box pops up on the screen. Enter the username and password and click on the dial button. This connects us to the internet. The established connection is shown as Internet Connected icon on the taskbar. Now, we can start browsing the internet. Double-click on the browser icon on the desktop to open the browser. Type the web address of any website in the URL address box. The home page of the website appears on the screen. Navigation buttons in web browser. Back, it takes us to the previous page. Next, it takes us to the next page. Refresh, it tells the browser to search for the website typed in the address box again. Stop. It stops the browser from downloading the web page. Home, it takes us to the home page. Using the internet for information. To open Google home page, type the URL of the website in the address box. In the middle of the Google home page, a long rectangular box appears. This is the search box. Type the words topic you want to search. Click on Enter or Google Search. Uploading data. Internet provides us options to download or upload data. Downloading is the process of sending data from the server to the user's computer. We can download music, files, videos, pictures, etc. from the internet. Uploading is the reverse of downloading. It is a process in which data is sent from the user's computer to the server. One can upload text files, pictures, audios, videos, etc. from the computer. Uploading makes sharing things with family and friends easier. Email. An email or electronic mail is the medium through which we can exchange messages electronically using computers and other devices such as mobile phones. We can send audios, videos and texts as attachments in the emails. The websites that provide email service to send and receive emails are called email service providers. For example, etc. Advantages of email. 1. Fast. Messages can be sent around the world in a fraction of a second. 2. Cheap. Transmission cost is very low. 3. Simple. After the initial setup, the use of email is very easy. 4. Efficient. Email is an efficient way of sending a message to a group of people. 5. Versatile. Pictures, text files, audios, videos, presentations, etc. can be sent as attachments through emails. Email address. In order to use email for sending or receiving information, we must have an email address. Just like URL of the websites, email address of all the users is different. An email address is divided into two parts, the user ID or username and mail server. These are separated by @ symbol. Creating an email account. Open a web browser such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Type an address of the email service provider to have an email account with. For example, www.gmail.com. On the top right corner of the page, New to Gmail button will appear. Click on Create an Account button to open a new account. A registration form will appear. Fill in the form correctly. The entries marked with sign are compulsory to be filled up. To complete the whole process of registration, click on Create My Account. After the completion of the whole process, a confirmation page will appear. Click on Continue to send and receive emails through the new email ID. Netiquettes. While working on the internet, one must follow some basic internet etiquettes. These codes of conduct applied to the virtual online world are called netiquettes. 1. Don't share your personal information like address, phone number, school details, bank details, etc. online. 2. When new to internet, use it under the guidance of your elders. 3. Respect others' privacy. 4. Do not type bad words on the internet. 5. Always maintain your real identity while being online. Do not use fake accounts or email IDs. 6. Avoid using all caps while using internet. It makes the other persons think that we are shouting on them and thus is considered rude. 7. Use appropriate language while writing on the internet. int abbreviations and emoticons ASAP as soon as possible. Happy smiley, happy face PTW. By the way, winking face FII. For your information, sad face K. Okay. Crying face hand. Have a nice day. O. Shocked face